you've got a mosquito on your nose. You have a mosquito on your nose. Oh my goodness, and it really bit you too. Shoot. You're nasty. You didn't even notice it. Well, I didn't come out here to take a picture of that. At least the mosquitoes are quite slow. They're still not quite woken up yet. Oh, it went away. They do move. But what I was looking at was the deck, because I'm replacing rotten deck boards. And as you can see, I've got quite a few that are quite a bit eaten up. I've got the new ones, but as you can see, what's interesting, it's too heavy to lift that way. Move it this way. As you can see, underneath there, it's actually in good shape. It's just the top boards that are getting, but these are in excellent condition. So tomorrow I'll get my saw out. I need to trim them a little to get them to fit. Each one, but you can see how it looks under there. Where there used to be a patio down there, and we had the deck put in so that it would be even with the door, so that Grandpa's wheelchair could go right out the door. He could wheel all around the deck, which he did for quite a few years. It worked as designed. The question is, do we want to keep the deck the way it is? If so, we just have to replace the various rotten boards every couple of years. You could actually see that we've had some of these replaced before. And now we're going to replace more. I bought 10, so that should give me plenty. In fact, I'm expecting to have some leftovers for later, but we'll see. We will see. Tomorrow's another day too. And speaking of which, look at the stuff growing. We have green everywhere you look. This just happened. In fact, we've got to be looking for the forsythia, because they're the first to bloom, apart from the dandelions, of course, which will be blooming soon. In fact, we probably have some already, but the forsythia will bloom along the back fence, and then the lilacs. But as you can see, we have leaves. They're genuine leaves. They still need to get bigger. The roses are just starting to push. So, all kinds of life occurring out here. All right. Well, that's enough for this.